go.
Asteroid of fear.
Are you good?
Yep,
Alright.
we are live.
For the first time ever. I should probably turn this on.
Ooh. Now it's getting hot.
Oh man, they can see me slicing up my wieners. Like, I don't know, am I supposed to be talking through this? Am I supposed to be saying something? Like, I don't know who these people are.
It's up to you.
I don't know what they want me to say. What do you want from me?
Well, tonight we're just making a pasta with some nice Italian sausage. First, we gotta get the water to a nice boil. We also got the sausage getting chopped up right now with our chef Mike.
That's gonna confuse some people. You know that?
What?
Chef Mike?
Chef Mike?
You know what Chef Mike is, right?
Nope.
It's a microwave. That's what we would call it in the restaurants whenever we needed to like cook something, reheat something up. We weren't gonna actually put it on the stove
Chef
or
Mike.
stuff like that. Yeah, just give it to Chef Mike. He'll do it.
That's hilarious.
So you'd literally be able to tell customers that, like, yeah, we'll let Chef Mike take care of it. And they'd be like, all right, Chef Mike, woo.
Well,
Little do they know, they're just getting a bunch of cancer. I mean, technically, all this processed shit's probably giving us cancer, but there's
Have cheese in it?
no
What is that?
fat,
Really?
fennel seed.
Interesting. There's fennel in that?
That's a big ingredient in fucking Italian sausage is fennel.
Yeah, no, I can see them. I actually really enjoy fennel.
Really?
Yeah, I
That's
don't know.
funny.
I don't know why, but
That's
I
one of
do.
those seasonings I really don't like.
Just like thyme. A lot of people don't like thyme, but
I
I
like thyme.
love it.
A lot of people don't like cilantro.
Oh, I've been on cilantro.
Well, it's like a what's the word I'm looking for? A genetic thing, I think, where like some
Really?
people like either they like it or it literally tastes like soap to them.
Oh yeah, no, I remember
I don't need
that.
this anymore, do I? No, I don't need to cut it down. Alright. But what I am gonna do is two things. One, is a little bit of oil to this pan. We just got a big bowl of oil sitting right here.
That's how we do.
And a little bit of oil to my boiling water. So that way, one, it won't boil over if it gets too foamy. And two, the noodles won't stick together. Sorry, not noodles, pasta. Pasta.
You could stick with it.
Those are gonna get cooked nice and golden brown. And while we're doing on that, we can cook the pasta. Oh shit, I almost dropped the pasta. Okay, there's actually a lot more pasta than I thought there was.
Holy shit! Just like Noah's Ark.
So, another thing is that a lot of people like doing is breaking their fucking pasta before they put it in the water. I'm gonna tell you, stop doing that. You're an idiot. Really? I wish there was a way to like aim this down further. So what you do is you take it and you just rub it in that water. Oh, and you give it a nice good twirl. And you let half of it get soft and you push on it gently. It's not gonna break, don't be afraid to push. And you just keep twisting it until it gets very soft on the one side. And then you can go ahead and just drop that sucker in. I don't think we're gonna cook all this pasta.
I was gonna say, I'd be really surprised if you went through a whole entire thing.
I mean, I'm gonna cook the majority of this box, but like, that's it.
Making a whole box with this would easily feed about 6 people.
Well, see, the thing is that when you make pasta, you make sure that you cook for at least 13 people. Oh, this smells so good.
I love Italian sausage. My 2 favorite are kielbasa and Italian sausage. I don't like Polish sausages too much. Then again, I don't really like Polish cooking all that much.
I don't blame you. Sauerkraut's gross. Listen, man, you know what sauerkraut is? It's literally fermented cabbage. They just take it, they chop up a bunch of cabbage, right? And they take it, they put a container, and they'll put like wax wrap over it, and they'll just let it sit out for a couple of days. And that's sauerkraut.
Nope.
Well, the fun part's about to come up, boys.
Seasonings?
No. The sauce.
The sauce.
Sauce balls.
Nothing wrong with saucing it up.
Oh, almost got my tongs. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, a lot of pasta.
Perfect.
Bum bum be dum bum bum be dum bum 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 be dum. Oh fuck.
Double
Alright.
schnikes.
Huh?
It's a double schnikes.
I'm not gonna get used to this until like the 3rd or 4th time. Anyways. Alright. Yeah, you don't need to season.
No.
The sausage, because the sausage has already got a ton of seasonings in it. So what you want to do is you take this out, take that, whoop, tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and that's going to deglaze the pan. And then we can go ahead and add our creamer. Creamer. So 1 cup of this. Sorry, I do 4 cups. Jesus. Strong. Woo!
Wow.
Whole grain oregano. Can't forget the garlic. It's very imperative in every Italian dish. Garlic. Garlic, tomatoes, onion, yada yada yada. Italian seasoning. Pepper.
Always. It's good for the heart and the soul.
Salt. And we're gonna I swear I got a whisk out. I thought I got a whisk out.
Nope, you just
Take
organized.
that. Mix it all together.
What do you get?
So there's actually one more ingredient. People don't realize this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cooking nicely. Real nice. Ooh. But people don't realize this about pasta sauce. Pasta water. Always set it with a little bit of pasta water. Add starch to it, thickens it up.
Huh. Learn something new every day, boys.
We're gonna let that come to a boil. Gonna kill the heat on the pasta. That's about to be done. Go ahead and add the sausage back to the sauce. Oops, drop one. We need some sort of cheese. We have mozzarella, don't we? Oh, Parmesan.
That'd probably be best bet.
It's not Parmigiano Reggiano, but it's Parmesan. That was what I was forgetting, was cheese. Like, I'm forgetting something in this recipe. I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup.
Dang, son. Chunking it up.
Yep. Oh yeah. Feel that heat.
That looks great.
And now we're gonna add the pasta to it. Yep, there's the timer. Wish we had a strainer. Do
Soon.
we have a strainer? Hot. Let's actually find out a little bit of pasta water too, now that I have a lot of cheese to it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be hot. No.
It's coming along just fine.
What's up? Alright, pasta in.
It's go time.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ah, I'm impatient.
Which way would it be? And then give it a good mix. Oh.
This is real cooking right here. See, a person like me, I just use Prego. This guy, he doesn't do that.
Woo-wee.
That is looking just phenomenal.
Alright, I need a plate.
Oh, gladly eat that with just my hands.
I don't suggest doing that because it's very hot.
Perfect.
Dirty. Take it.
Spin it.
Give it a nice spin. You want more than that?
A little bit more, yeah. Kind of hungry. Kind of real hungry.
So that's the best part about living with a roommate that's been a professional cook for the last 10 years.
Zay gets to complain how he has to cook all the time.
Nah, I complained a lot when I worked in restaurants.
I was joking.
I hated cooking when I worked in restaurants, like cooking at home. But now that I don't work in restaurants anymore, I love cooking.
I don't think people quite understand that, actually, is that usually with most people, they don't want to be cooking like that when they come home and they work at a place like Carrabba's or, Andiamo's, anything nice like it, or
There
nicer.
You got a creamy sausage pasta. I don't know how to say that without sounding weird. All right, my guy. Here's the taste test.
Let's do this.
It's gonna be good.
Kind of scared here. That's real stuff right there. Just bring back childhood. I'm about to cry. Well, as we keep on going, we're going to start doing live more often. Hope that you guys enjoyed learning how to make this meal.
If you want to, go to our YouTube. You can find us at Sergeant Cooks. That's SERGENT Cooks with an exclamation point. You can see a lot of our videos there with shorts, some videos of me describing some things. And also, I don't know if it links to TikTok, but it will link to YouTube videos. I think it links to TikTok, the Whisk.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, my Whisk page. All my recipes that I make will be posted on my Whisk page the day of that I make the recipe. So right now, there's only about 2 recipes on there because we're still starting out. But like this recipe will be on here tonight.
So that not only us, but you guys will also be able to enjoy. Be sure to follow us on here as well. Subscribe, all that stuff,
We have a Facebook too, but I have no idea what the link is.
Me no comprende Facebook.
Oh, I'm about to smash this. I'm so hungry.
All right, guys. Well, until next time.